Mobile homes will be destroyed. Tornado emergency for Metro Little Rock. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Prairie County and central Arkansas, northern Lone Oak County and central Arkansas, southeastern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, south central White County and central Arkansas, northeastern Pulaski County and central Arkansas, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Burns Park, or near West Little Rock, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Metro Little Rock. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Sherwood, Jacksonville, Cabot, West Little Rock, Maumelle, Downtown Little Rock, North Little Rock Airport, Little Rock Air Force Base, Southwest Little Rock, Beebe, Ward, Austin in Lone Oak County, Argenta, Old Austin, Parnell, Gravel Ridge, Olmsted, Thurman. Here are the latest weather conditions.